cinematography mini video course, head on over to Chronos.
But that's where I shoot raw.
So a couple days ago, I released a video comparing one of the fastest.
My bad. Hold up.
Planet, a bunch of other
Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K.
So I decided to.
Boom, caca, okay.
Boom, kaka. All right, open that bitch. How do you feel?
I'm excited.
Your first pro camera. Remember when you thought your thing shot raw? No, now this one shoots raw. Sexy.
Unboxing. Welcome.
Nice. Welcome to the family. That software upgrade card.
Oh.
This is all Da Vinci. Yeah. Hold on. Nice. Sorry, Alfredo.
Oh, it comes with one battery.
Oh, nice. That's probably gonna last 10 minutes.
Power. Different, for different countries. This is for the UK. That's the only one I know. I think this is for Asia.
Mm.
Yeah. I don't know about this one. And this is for here, America.
The best. Ooh, hold up.
It's pretty light.
Let me see it.
Nice.
Well, once you know the guts of that camera, you'll be able to handle any camera.
Really?
Yeah. Because I learned everything I need to know on the 5D Mark II.
It's very cool. I don't think the battery is charged.
You don't think so?
Damn, there's not a charger for the battery. But we can use yours.
What do you mean?
There's no battery charger.
Then how do you charge your battery?
You buy it.
Oh
Yeah.
shit, that's
This
right.
is if we are shooting like inside.
Like we're really gonna do that. Nice.